golf nut. It's super addictive, and it takes like
yes.
8 hours a day.
It's yes. Once you get into golf, I guess any sport it gets super addictive. So, but for me the intensity of video games is hard to beat.
Yes, people dismiss it because they think it's just a waste of time. But we're showing like real world benefits of people playing video games.
Yeah.
If you want to be a drone operator, it's the only game in town.
Yeah,
I mean, you have to
absolutely.
get really good at video games.
Yeah, for sure. So, in fact, I can actually tell like what my mental acuity is if I play a very hard video game. So if I'm trying to sort of get like an extremely good clear time in Diablo or something like that, or a first person shooter, whatever the case may be. Like if I can tell that I'm tired, or my brain's not working as well as it should. It's like a mental calibration. You can tell immediately, like how good is your mental state?
Right, right.
And so it's like if you're trying to play really well, like if you play late at night and you're tired, you just play badly.
Right.
And you can say, okay, you may think that your brain is working well, but it isn't.
Yeah.
You play the video game and you're like, you suck. So, okay.
Yeah, you're putting it under stress. Yeah. You're really stress testing it.
You stress test it, and because like sometimes like, oh, I think I'm fine, but then you play the game like, okay, I'm not. I'm like 10% below what I should be.
That's how I feel about workouts, for sure. Like, that's how I knew I had COVID. Or I knew everyone in my family had COVID. And I was trying to not get COVID. And so I was working out. I was like, something's up. Like, I felt fine normally. But then during exercise, I was like, okay, I can tell there's something wrong here. So let's just back off, relax.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like people who don't stress test their mind, they think they're operating on the same level all the time. Like sometimes I come in here and I can't form a fucking sentence and I don't know what it is. It's like, what is going on? So it's just like
sleep's not, maybe it's like, well, sleep wasn't that good or something like that.
Yeah, something like that. Or I'm too busy, and it's not, the words aren't coming out. Like, I know how to talk. I talk professionally, and I can't fucking talk. It's like,
I mean, sleep is massive. I mean,
huge.
Like, so if I can tell immediately, did I get a good night's sleep or not, if I just play like a video game for like 5 minutes. I'm like, okay, my sleep wasn't that good because of my and then sometimes your brain will recover through the day, and it's like, okay, like an hour or two after waking up, it's better.
Yeah.
Because your brain does kind of recover from bad night's sleep a little bit.
Do you know what really helps? Creatine, apparently.
Does it?
Yeah, creatine is actually a nootropic, believe it or not. There's a lot of like benefits of creatine that are really weird.
Are there any downsides?
No, it's a natural part of food. Yeah, especially women. For women, apparently, especially postmenopausal women, it's very beneficial.
Okay.
And there's a lot of like cognitive benefits, and one of the big ones that they found recently is performance when sleep deprived. Mental performance when sleep deprived increases pretty measurably when you supplement with creatine.
Is creatine naturally occurring in like steak or?
Yeah, it's like naturally occurring in meat. I think that's where it's coming from. I think it's primarily an animal-based thing. Yeah, but
like I did switch to like steak and eggs for breakfast, and I found that's like a power up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we're all overrun with carbohydrates.
Yeah.